quickly search for a worksheet, use the filters located on the left. Here you can filter by product type. Worksheets will take you to individual worksheets available for download, and bundles will take you to multi-page packs or sets on a particular standard, skill, or subject. Filter by standard or subject under the Subjects tab. For example, if I was looking for more resources to support phonics and reading instruction, I would click on Phonics. After selecting your filters, be sure to scroll down and click the purple Filter Selected tab at the bottom. The page will then refresh, and you can access all of our phonics resources. The Phonics Fun Pack is a favorite and popular item for kinder and first grade teachers, as well as for reading intervention and literacy teachers.